Under the supervision of Oinam MLA and Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakeshwar, construction of a new inter-village road IVR connecting Oinam and Kainau village is underway in full swing. Notably, this will be one of the most important roads in the area. An awareness campaign on water conservation and management cum tree plantation was held at Tongju Part 1 in Imphal East today. Around 200 different kinds of sapling were planted during the event organized by Tongju Gram Panchayat. Members of local clubs, Mairapabis and students took part in the campaign. Some unidentified persons planted an improvised explosive device at the residential gate of Vice Chancellor of Manipur Technical University, Leprakon Tuambi in Kanaurem Lekai Kanchipur, Imphal last night. The bomb was later retrieved and defused by a team of bomb disposal squad of Manipur police. Assam's Kaliabor Lok Sabha MP and a member of the Standing Committee on Defence, Gaurav Gogoi, has dashed off a letter to Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh regarding delay in setting up of Assam's second Sainik school at Golaghat. According to reports, in his letter, Gogoi stated that 2 years have been delayed in the process of setting up of the Sainik school at Golaghat. The MP further stated that during this period, he has also drawn the attention of the State Chief Minister regarding the matter. The National Green Tribunal Committee discussed about matters related to scientific coal mining in Meghalaya and asked the state government to submit its mining plan in the next meeting to be held on July 22nd and 23rd. In a surprising incident, over Rs 3 lakh was found in the bag of a beggar who died at Guntagang town of Andhra Pradesh. The deceased was identified as 70-year-old Basir Sahib from Madanapalli of Chittoor district, was seen begging at Masanwali Dargah for the past several years. 3 persons, including a minor, were killed and 3 sustained severe injuries when their tempo traveler hit a truck on the Delhi Meerut Expressway in the early hours today. According to reports, Deputy Commissioner of Police is Jasmeet Singh said that the family from Uttamnagar was going to Nainital on holiday when the incident happened. At least 15 people, including 4 children and 1 woman, are feared dead in an incident of wall collapse in Pune's Kontwa area that occurred in the wee hours of today. As per reports, the 20-feet wall, which belonged to an apartment complex, kept in on the adjoining slum with shanties and massive tin houses mostly inhabited by the laborers. The government has reduced the interest rates on small savings schemes such as the Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, Public Provident Fund, Kisan Vikas Prata and the Suknya Samriddhi Yojana, according to a notification issued yesterday. Notably, the Suknya Samriddhi Yojana, which was launched under the campaign Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, would now fetch an interest rate of 8.4% compared with 8.5% earlier. US President Donald Trump said today he would like to meet North Korean leader Kim Jong-un this weekend at the demilitarized zone on the border of North and South Korea. As per reports, Trump, who is in Osaka, Japan for a Group of 20 summit, is due to arrive in South Korea later today. He is scheduled to leave tomorrow and return to Washington. A fresh round of talks between the US and the Taliban is to begin in Qatar just days after US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said Washington is hoping for an Afghan peace agreement before September 1, according to reports. Suhail Sahin, spokesperson for the Taliban's political office in Doha, informed that talks with the US peace envoy Zalmay Khalilzad will begin early this morning.